Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set where the save button saves snaps in the Snapchat app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into settings, then we scroll down and tap on memories. And here we have save destinations, and under save destinations we tap on save button. And here we can select whether what the save button does. Either it saves the snap to memories, or memories and camera roll, or just camera roll only. So yeah, I guess that does it. I mean, it's very simple. You can just select from these three destinations, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.